Welcome to Everyday Speaking Lab. Today, you will practice introducing yourself in English.
Introducing yourself. That is one of the first things we need in real life, right?
Exactly. In this episode, you will learn simple words, useful phrases, and short conversations to say your name, where you are from, what you do, and why you are learning English.
Listen carefully, repeat the key phrases, and speak slowly. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English.
Let's begin.
When do we introduce ourselves?
We introduce ourselves when we meet new people. For example, at school, at work, in an English class, at a meeting, at a party, or when we travel.
So, it is not only for formal situations.
Exactly. It can be formal or informal. A simple introduction helps people know who you are.
What can a basic introduction include?
It can include your name, your country, your city, your job or studies, and one simple personal detail.
For example,
My name is Anna. I am from Mexico. I live in Guadalajara. I am a student. I am learning English.
that sounds simple and useful.
Yes, simple is good. Clear is good. Let's learn some key vocabulary.
Great. What is the first word?
The first word is name. Your name is what people call you. Example, my name is David.
So I can say, my name is Luis.
Exactly. The next word is from. We use from to talk about your country or city. Example, I am from Colombia.
Can I say, I am from Mexico?
Yes, that is perfect. The next word is live. We use live to talk about your city or home. Example, I live in Toronto.
So, I live in Mexico City.
Correct. The next word is student. A student is a person who studies. Example, I am a student.
Very useful for beginners.
Yes. The next word is work. We use work when we talk about a job. Example, I work in a store.
Can I say, I work in an office?
Yes, that is a natural sentence. The next word is learn. To learn means to study and understand something new. Example, I learn English every day.
I like that one. I learn English every day.
Very good. The next word is meet. To meet means to see someone for the first time or spend time with someone. Example, nice to meet you.
That phrase is very important.
It is. The next word is nice. Nice means good, kind, or pleasant. Example, nice to meet you.
And the last word?
The last word is conversation. A conversation is when two or more people talk. Example, this is a simple English conversation.
Good. So today we are practicing a simple English conversation.
Exactly. Now let's learn essential phrases for introducing yourself.
Let's do it.
First, greeting someone. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
These are simple greetings. Hello and hi are very common. Good morning is used earlier in the day. Good afternoon is used later in the day.
What comes after the greeting?
Your name. You can say, my name is Anna.
Or, I'm David.
Yes. I'm means I am. Both are correct. My name is Anna is clear and complete. I'm Anna is shorter and very natural.
So I can say, hi, I'm David.
Exactly. Next, saying where you are from. I am from Mexico.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Colombia.
I'm from Japan.
Good. Use I'm from plus a country or city.
What about where I live?
You can say, I live in Madrid.
Or, I live in New York.
Correct. Use I live in plus a city, town, or country.
What about work or studies?
You can say, I am a student.
I work in a restaurant.
I work in an office.
I study English.
Very good. These phrases are short and useful. Next, saying why you are learning English. I am learning English.
I want to speak English.
I want to improve my English.
I want to practice every day.
Excellent. These are simple, real phrases.
And how do we finish an introduction?
You can say, nice to meet you.
And the other person can say, nice to meet you too.
Exactly. To means also. Nice to meet you too.
That sounds polite and natural.
Yes, politeness matters. Now let's listen to conversation model 1. This is a very simple introduction between two people in an English class.
Great. I'll be student B.
Hello, my name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chile. And you?
I'm from Mexico.
Do you live in Mexico?
Yes, I live in Guadalajara.
Nice. I live in Santiago.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I'm learning English. I want to speak better.
Me too.
Great. Let's practice together.
This conversation is simple, but very useful. Notice the pattern. Greeting, name, nice to meet you, country, city, and reason for learning English.
I heard, and you? That is very useful.
Yes. And you is a short way to return the same question. If someone says, I'm from Chile, and you? They are asking, where are you from?
So I don't need a long question every time.
Exactly. Short phrases can be very natural. Now let's listen to conversation model 2. This time, the conversation is at work. It is still basic, but a little different.
I will start. Hi, are you new here?
Yes. Hi, I'm Laura.
Nice to meet you, Laura. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
Where are you from?
I'm from Peru.
Great. Do you live here now?
Yes, I live in Miami.
What do you do?
I work in customer service.
Nice. I work in sales.
Are you learning English too?
Yes, I practice English every day.
That's good. I want to speak with more confidence.
Me too. We can practice together.
In this second conversation, the situation changed. It is not an English class, it is at work.
But many phrases are the same.
Exactly. You can reuse the same phrases in different situations. Hi, I'm Laura. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? And what do you do?
Voice big. What do you do means, what is your job?
Correct. At basic level, you can answer simply, I am a student, I work in a store, or I work in customer service.
Very useful.
Now listen and repeat these useful phrases. Hello, my name is Anna.
That is clear and polite.
Hi, I'm Anna.
Voice B. Short and natural.
Nice to meet you.
This sounds polite and friendly.
I'm from Mexico.
Very useful for introductions.
I live in Madrid.
Good for talking about your city.
I am learning English.
That one is perfect for this channel.
I want to speak English with confidence.
A little longer, but very powerful.
Good. These phrases are basic, but they help you start real conversations.
And if the listener repeats them many times, they become easier.
Exactly. Repetition helps listening, pronunciation, and confidence. Now, let's talk about 3 common mistakes.
Good idea. What is mistake number 1?
Mistake number 1. Saying, I am from Mexican. This is not correct when talking about your country.
What is the correct sentence?
Say, I am from Mexico. Mexico is the country. Mexican is the nationality.
So, I am from Mexico, or I am Mexican.
Exactly.
What is mistake number 2?
Mistake number 2. Saying, I have 25 years old.
Many students say that.
Yes, in English we say, I am 25 years old, or simply, I'm 25.
So not, I have 25.
Correct. Say, I'm 25.
What is mistake number 3?
Mistake number 3. Saying, I live in Mexico City is correct, but saying, I live on Mexico City is not correct.
So we use in for cities.
Yes, I live in Madrid. I live in Lima. I live in New York. Use in with cities and countries.
That is simple and important.
Very important. Let's review what you learned today.
We learned how to introduce ourselves.
Yes, you learned greetings like hello and hi.
You learned how to say your name. My name is Anna, or I'm David.
You learned how to say where you are from. I'm from Mexico.
You learned how to say where you live. I live in Guadalajara.
You learned how to talk about work or studies. I am a student, or I work in an office.
And you learned how to finish politely. Nice to meet you.
The main pattern is simple: greeting, name, place, work or study, and polite ending.
Hello, I'm David. I'm from Chile. I live in Santiago. I'm learning English. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That is a complete basic introduction.
After listening to this episode, the listener should recognize these phrases more easily.
Yes. Listen again. Repeat the key phrases and pay attention to pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
Small phrases can open real conversations.
Thank you for listening. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking step by step.
See you in the next episode.
This is Everyday Speaking Lab.